Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Apache Kibble. Kibble is an open-source analytics platform designed to help you track and visualize key metrics from your software development lifecycle. Whether you're a project maintainer or a contributor, Kibble offers a unified dashboard to monitor everything from Git commits to mailing list activity. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started. Apache Kibble is an incubating project under the Apache Software Foundation. Its primary goal is to provide deep insights into open-source project health by aggregating data from platforms like GitHub, GitLab, JIRA, and mailing lists. With Kibble, you can understand how active your community is, track contributions, and identify areas for improvement. So why should you care about Apache Kibble? If you're managing an open-source project, understanding your community's health is crucial. Kibble allows you to monitor engagement, track contributions over time, and even identify contributors who may have gone inactive. This helps you make informed decisions to grow and sustain your project. Apache Kibble comes packed with powerful features. It supports integration with multiple data sources, offers a real-time analytics dashboard, and allows you to customize visualizations based on your needs. One of its standout features is the community health scoring, which provides a quantitative measure of your project's vitality. Let's take a closer look at Apache Kibble's architecture. The system is composed of several layers: a data ingestion layer that pulls from various sources, a normalization engine that standardizes the data, a storage backend like Elasticsearch, and finally, a web-based dashboard for visualization. The data ingestion layer is responsible for pulling raw data from various platforms. It supports Git repositories, GitHub, GitLab, JIRA, and more. This layer also handles authentication, rate limits, and schedules periodic syncs to keep your data up to date. Once data is ingested, it passes through the Normalization Engine. This component converts raw data into a consistent format, handles deduplication, and ensures that data from different sources can be compared and analyzed together. The engine is also extensible, allowing you to define custom data models. The normalized data is stored in a backend database, typically Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch allows for fast querying, full-text search, and powerful aggregations. It's also scalable, making it suitable for large datasets from active open-source projects. Finally, the web dashboard is where all the magic happens. It provides interactive visualizations, real-time metrics, and customizable widgets. Whether you're tracking commit trends or monitoring mailing list activity, the dashboard makes it easy to explore your data. Getting started with Apache Kibble is straightforward. First, you'll clone the repository from GitHub. Then, install the necessary dependencies using pip. After that, configure your data sources and credentials, and finally, run the Kibble server and dashboard to begin exploring your data. To get the most out of Kibble, you'll need to configure your data sources. You can add Git repositories by URL, integrate with GitHub using OAuth, and even connect to JIRA and mailing lists. Each source can be configured with a custom sync interval to keep your data fresh. Once your data is flowing, the real-time analytics dashboard becomes your go-to tool. You can visualize commit trends, track contributor engagement, analyze issue resolution times, and even compare metrics across different projects. One of Kibble's most powerful features is its community health scoring. This metric quantifies your project's vitality by analyzing factors like activity levels, contributor diversity, and responsiveness to issues. It helps you identify at-risk projects and take proactive steps to engage your community. Kibble allows you to create custom visualizations tailored to your needs. You can filter data by time, contributor, or source, export visualizations, and even share dashboards with your team for collaborative insights. Apache Kibble is highly extensible. You can write custom data processors, add new data sources via plugins, and even modify dashboard widgets and themes. If you're a developer, contributing to the project is a great way to give back to the open source community. Let's look at a real-world use case. tracking open source contributions. With Kibble, you can monitor commits, issues, and pull requests, identify top contributors, and even analyze seasonal trends. It's also a great way to measure the impact of corporate contributions to your project. Another powerful use case is monitoring mailing list engagement. Kibble helps you track thread activity, identify active members, and detect trends in declining engagement. These insights can help you encourage more participation and keep your community vibrant. Evaluating project health is crucial for long-term success. Kibble allows you to analyze contributor churn, measure issue resolution speed, and track documentation and release activity. This helps you identify bottlenecks and make data-driven decisions. Apache Kibble has many strengths. It's open source and community-driven, supports multiple data sources, offers real-time analytics, and is highly extensible. These features make it a powerful tool for open source project management. However, Kibble also has some limitations. It requires technical setup, has limited integrations out of the box, and may have a learning curve for beginners. Additionally, it heavily depends on Elasticsearch, which may not suit all environments. How does Kibble compare with other tools? Compared to GitHub Insights, it supports more data sources. Unlike GitLab Analytics, it's focused purely on open source. It's simpler to set up than Bitergia and more community-driven than Augur. In terms of performance, Apache Kibble is designed to handle thousands of repositories, supports real-time data sync, and scales efficiently with an Elasticsearch backend. Dashboard updates are low latency, ensuring a smooth user experience. Security is a top priority. Kibble uses OAuth for secure API access, ensures encrypted data in transit, and supports role-based access control. Audit logs help you track changes and maintain compliance. Apache Kibble has a strong community behind it. You can join the mailing list, participate in forums, report bugs on GitHub, and contribute to the documentation. The project follows a contributor-friendly development model. If you're just getting started, there are plenty of resources to help you. The official documentation, tutorials, example projects, and community forums are all great places to learn. You can also explore the source code on GitHub. Ready to take the next step? Start by setting up Apache Kibble locally, integrate your first data source, explore the dashboard, and consider contributing to the project. Every contribution helps make Kibble better for everyone. In conclusion, Apache Kibble is a powerful tool for anyone involved in open source development. Whether you're a maintainer or contributor, its extensible and community-driven nature makes it ideal for tracking and improving project health over time. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Apache Kibble. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to explore Apache Kibble and join the open source community today. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.